Alright, we're going to clean out this Hotsy coil with muriatic acid. Got a garbage can here full of water, about 5 gallons. Got this Amazon pump hooked up to the hose fittings that it came with. We're bypassed this pump because this pump's expensive. You want to fuck it up. Little union here. This is low pressure, so we're not worried about any of that. Going into the intake, go through the coil, out the hose, spits back out into this. So we're going to plug her in and add the acid carefully. Okay, we're pumping. Acid's in. Looks like we got an air bubble. Stand by. Oh, it's coming out of it. It's coming out of it. Stand by. Alright, air's out of it. Seems to be running good. No leaks. Pretty loud. A little leak. That's fine. Nothing over here though. Looks good. Well, it stopped pumping. Not sure why. Had trash or something, started making a weird noise. So we're gonna try this other impeller. Goes in here. Seems like a pretty silly design, but here we are. All right, we're running backwards now. Got the air, most of the air out of the line. Got real nasty. Gummies. Ew. All right. We're flushing it out. Nice and clean now. Now I got a trash bag or trash can full of muriatic acid. I'm not sure what to do with that. Now we're gonna do some science. You know about that science, right? Whoa, careful, boys. That's fun. Neutral, pH neutral. It's getting big. I hope it doesn't melt something. Stinks. Stay back. Stay back.